The trial of an Australian woman accused of murdering three of her estranged husband's elderly relatives with poisonous mushrooms entered its final stages Wednesday. It's gripped the country and drawn global media attention, with British magazine The Spectator calling it Australia's trial of the century. It's also caused a sensation in Morwell, a former coal mining town where the accused requested to be tried in. On a cold and wet Wednesday morning, excited members of the public lined up for seats in the court before proceedings began.
Yeah, so I am a true crime fanatic, so I do take my true crime quite seriously. I don't think I really appreciated that a case of this magnitude was playing out in my own state, so that's what intrigued me, that's what fascinated me.
The 14-member jury is expected to deliver their verdict on Thursday at the earliest, and their decision must be unanimous. 50-year-old Erin Patterson is charged with the murders of her mother-in-law Gail Patterson, father-in-law Donald Patterson, and Gail's sister Heather Wilkinson, along with the attempted murder of Heather's husband Ian in July 2023. The prosecution alleges she knowingly served the guests lethal death cap mushrooms in a beef Wellington pastry dish at her home in Leongatha, a town 84 miles away from Melbourne. The prosecution says Patterson fabricated a cancer diagnosis to lure the guests to the lunch, then poisoned their meals while serving herself an untainted version, then lied that she was also sick from the food to avoid suspicion before embarking on a cover-up when police began investigating the deaths. Patterson denies the charges, which carry a life sentence, with her defense calling the deaths a terrible accident. She was the only defense witness after the prosecution spent a month calling dozens of witnesses, including estranged husband Simon Patterson and the sole surviving lunch guest Ian Wilkinson.